Here I will explain variable in bash. Okay, at first we create a file touch variable.sh. All right, so nano, and right here this table in bash. So this is just syntax, write it. I will continue explanation. What is this bean bash? And let's see now what is variable. Variable is something, let's say when you drink tea, you hold a cup by your hand. Okay, so by hand we can hold a cup, we can hold a pen, we can hold a mobile, we can hold a laptop, we can hold something. So hand is this is variable. Okay, and this pen, laptop, paper, these are value. Okay, let's say name equal to, I am writing Tom. So name like a hand, it can hold Tom, it can hold Jerry. Okay, this is variable. If you write a name, you can also write a equal to 3. Okay, this is a is the variable. Now just take this name variable, and this value is changeable. Name is the variable, and you can change this. Okay, this is the value, which you understand. Now how to print? To print in bash we use echo and this double quote, and here is one space. Okay, and we have to use the $sign and the name. We are calling the variable. All right, I show you again how to do it. To print we use echo in bash and space and this double quote. Okay, and then inside we use this $sign and we are calling the variables. Call this. Okay, then save it. Control O, Control X. Now ls l, we have to change the file permission to here. How to do it? chmod user u plus x and variable. Okay, I'm using u only, user part, not all. You can check my other video if you don't understand file permission. And now check this. Here is now we have the file permission. How to run this? You see it is printing Jerry. All right, this is how to use variable. Now we can change it to use another variable. Let's say I want to print a equal to 3. Okay, so what I'm going to type, echo space double quote. Here I'm going to use 3, sorry, a. Okay, I'm calling the variable a. Here is the a equal to 3 and I'm calling the variable. Okay, now type this. The file is variable file. You see it is printing 3. So for beginner this is enough. You have to practice. If you have any question, you can type in the comment box. I will check and I will respond, and I will continue the video for the bash tutorial. Please follow up. Thank you.